Dealing with the lib Tesseract 304 DLL error in Tesseract app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before the walkthrough for lib Tesseract 304, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the lib Tesseract 304, the Tesseract Optical Character Recognition OCR Engine. It provides unmanaged C++ routines for identifying text within images, essential for scanning software and automated document processes to resolve character-based manifests. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The lib Tesseract 304 DLL module is a localized part of the Tesseract integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the lib Tesseract 304 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install lib Tesseract 304 DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on lib Tesseract 304. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for lib Tesseract 304 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.